Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I gotta grab a serpentine belt and I'm gonna replace my exhaust gasket because it has a leak in it. So I'm gonna head to AutoZone right now and we'll see you there. Honestly, I forgot I even own this car just because it's a big nightmare right now, but yeah, this thing's just chilling here. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a serpentine belt on this, and I'm going to be doing the rear exhaust gasket where the muffler connects right there, because my gasket's completely blown there now. So let's jack this thing up. Alright guys, check this out. That is completely blown. That's all soot right there. That's a huge leak. So we're gonna replace that right now. Alright, here's the old gasket, completely shot. This thing's junk. New gasket's in. It's a little bit bigger than the old one, but it should hold fine. Well, time to replace another serpentine belt. I swear these AutoZone ones are the worst shit ever, but it's the only thing I got around right now, so let's get to it. Well, it got this junk out. Alright, that's done. Let's start it up, see how it works. Alright guys, just got back from a quick drive. No more squeaks, and the exhaust sounds a little bit quieter. There's still some like rattling, so I'm gonna have to check that out too, but that's it for this one. See you in the next one.